Hi, this is Diana from Second Half Dreams, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print a test page. In my last video, I recommended that you print out a test page and then write a few words on it to test out the spacing between the lines. So to print out a page or multiple pages, you can do that by just going up here and selecting File, Export. And this brings up the export screen, which is just the same as a save screen. So you can choose the location to save to, you can change the file name, and then for save as type, I'm going to save that as an Adobe PDF print, which will make a PDF file. And then I'm just going to click on save. Doing so brings up this box. And then up here I have high quality print, standard none, compatibility, Acrobat 5. And then I'm just going to go down here to the pages section. And since I don't want to print all pages right now, I'm just going to change all pages to a page number. So I'm going to use page number 5. And then for export as, I'm going to change spreads to pages. And then I'm going to just ignore all of these other settings and all of these other settings also. To be honest, I don't think I've ever changed them. I've just pretty much used the defaults. So now I'm going to export or save that file by pressing on export, and then I have my saved file. Now I'm going to open up that PDF file, and this is the page that I want to print. But before I print it, I just want to point out that the YouTube video logbook, that's a 6 by 9 inch book, where the piece of paper that I'm printing to is, its size is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So what happened here is my 6 by 9 inch page just got scaled up to better match the 8.5 inch by 11 inch printer page. So to fix that, I'm going to go up here and press print. And your screen may be different just depending on your operating system and the printer that you have installed. But if I go on my computer to more settings and go here to scale, right now it's set to fit to printable area. I'm going to change that to default. And then now this, my text lines just got smaller because now it's going to better match an actual 6 by 9 inch book rather than an 8.5 inch by 11 inch piece of paper. So I just want to show you that really quick, and then you just press print to print your page out.